here, and it's lovely. It's our cream cheese topping. Very simple. It's going to be our butter, 65 grams of butter, icing sugar that you sieved, 75 grams. And I'm going to start by creaming these two together into a paste, very much like my cinnamon filling, creaming the sugar and the butter together. At first very powdery, but now the butter starts to bind everything. Nice and easy. I don't think you need a machine to do that. A spoon is enough, like I'm doing right now. Here we are, done. I'm going to maybe scrape all this back together before adding my cream cheese. Here we are, all of it. So you've got the sweetness of the sugar, and you've got a slight saltiness from the cream cheese, so very nice going together. Nice, smooth. I mean, also that cream cheese topping, you could keep it few days in your fridge if you don't need it straight away. Look, nice, soft. It's very much the same topping than the one going on top of a carrot cake. So here we go. You could make scrolls, cover them with that topping, or if you make a carrot cake using the same one, the same recipe. Here we are. I'm going to scrape everything. And I'm done. If you're going to use it more or less straight away, or in an hour or two max, leave it at room temperature. Soft, easy to use. And that's it, that's our cream cheese topping done.